Problem 6 says AB is parallel to CD with L and M two transversals, and I am supposed to find out PQC as well as RSD angles. Before coming to that, I have to arrive at value of X, and before that I would like to show you that these two are vertically opposite angles and therefore R is also X. Now these two are alternate interior angles, therefore this is also 4x. Alternate interior angles for two parallel lines with transversal are always equal, and this here is 3x. This angle being vertically opposite angles, and this angle and this angle happen to be alternate interior angles, and therefore this is also 3x. This being alternate interior angles, this pair. As you can see, you might have identified the logical conclusion to this entire exercise. You can see that 5x and 4x form a linear pair, and therefore the sum is 180 degrees. As you can see here also, you can see these two are co-interior angles, are supplementary, and they are also 180 degrees. From this we have the value of x, which happens to be 20 degrees. And once I have my x value, angle PQC is 3 times 20, which is 60 degrees, and RSD is 4 times 20 and comes to 80 degrees. The next question is being asked like this: AB is parallel to CD. This is the given component and this is the transversal. If angle 1 is 3x minus 10 and angle 7 is 5x minus 30, find angle 1 and 7. The more thorough you are with your lines and angles properties, the easier that the sums will be. As you can see, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles for AB parallel CD with transversal L. Therefore, they are equal. Now, angle 1 equals angle 5. The second thing, angle 5 equals angle 7, being vertically opposite angles. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore, angle 1 equals to angle 7. This is the fundamental point you have to arrive, you have to deduce from the given diagram very logically. So you have to set up the linear equation stating that 1 equals 7, which is nothing but 5x minus 30. Now, bringing all the like terms to one side, I have and the next step being 2 1s 2 10s. Therefore x value is 10. If I substitute the x value here, 10 3 is 30 minus 10 is 20, and therefore angle 1 is 20, and you have to cross check also to ensure that your problem is correct. Now 10 50, 5 times x is 50 minus 30 is 20, therefore 1 equals 7.